Your car looks clean, but is it? What if I told you that your car's interior might be dirtier than a public toilet seat? Dust, dead skin, bacteria, old fries, forgotten receipts, and that one spill from months ago you never cleaned up, still haunting the seats. Before we dive deep into this hidden mess, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Because today, we're not just cleaning a car, we're reclaiming our personal space, the emotional attachment we often ignore. Your car isn't just a vehicle, it's your safe zone. You've laughed in it, cried in it, had late-night drives with music blasting, long phone calls, solo karaoke sessions. It's seen every side of you. And yet, we neglect it. We treat car cleaning like a chore, something we'll get to next weekend. But that delay? It builds up into layers of grime, odors, and invisible germs. Deep down, we know we've let our sanctuary slip into something far less comforting. The hidden dangers lurking inside. Think about this. The average steering wheel has 4 times more bacteria than a public toilet seat. Yes, that same wheel you eat a burger with one hand and steer with the other. Crumbs fall between the seats, sticky soda splashes on cup holders, pet hair, pollen, dirt from your shoes, all silently nesting inside. And the worst part? We stop noticing. The human brain gets used to familiar smells and sights. We adapt, but bacteria don't stop growing. Step 1. Declutter with emotion. Before any spray bottle comes out, you have to declutter. Not mechanically, emotionally. Every empty water bottle, grocery receipt, parking ticket carries a memory. Tossing it out is like releasing emotional clutter too. Start from the front and move backward. Glove compartments, door pockets, under the seats. Be ruthless but mindful. Ask yourself, do I really need this here? Or is it just junk I stopped seeing? Step 2. Attack the surfaces. Now, let's sanitize the battlefield. Use an all-purpose cleaner or a car-specific interior spray. Start with the dashboard, steering wheel, and center console. These are the most touched and most ignored. Use a microfiber cloth. Not a tissue, not a rough rag. A microfiber cloth traps dirt, doesn't scratch, and gives a satisfying clean. Spray, wipe, and breathe in that new car feel slowly returning. Then come the air vents. Think they don't matter? Wrong. Those vents are mini caves of dust, pollen, and bacteria. Use a soft detailing brush or even a small paintbrush to gently sweep them out. Every swipe feels like lifting a weight off your lungs. Clean air begins here. Step 3. The soul of the interior. Seats and upholstery. Whether your seats are cloth, leather, or vinyl, this is where you sit, spill, sweat, and sleep. For cloth seats, vacuum first to suck out crumbs and hair. Then use an upholstery cleaner. Spray lightly, scrub with a soft brush, and dab dry. For leather seats, never use harsh chemicals. Use a leather cleaner followed by a conditioner. Think of leather as skin. It needs care, moisture, and softness. Every clean seat is like a reset for your driving experience. Don't forget the seat backs and between seat gaps, where all the forgotten nightmares live. Step 4. The ground you step on. Floor mats and carpets. Floor mats take the biggest beating. They carry the dirt from every walk you took. Remove them. Shake them hard. Vacuum thoroughly. Then, scrub with a mix of water and mild detergent. Hose them down if needed. Let them dry completely before putting them back. For carpets, vacuum slowly. Not fast, not casually. Slow vacuuming lifts more dirt than quick passes. Imagine walking barefoot in your car. Would you do it now? That's your standard. Step 5. Windows, mirrors, and that finishing touch. Crystal clear windows are more than just aesthetics. They change how light enters your car. They shift your mood. Spray glass cleaner on windows and mirrors. Use a microfiber cloth in circular motion, inside and out. The difference? Night and day. Add a final touch, a car perfume, a dashboard polish, or a small plant. It's not just about cleanliness anymore. It's about creating a space you love to return to. But Why do we neglect this? Why is it that we care so much about our phone's screen being clean, but not the space we sit in every day? It's because interior dirt hides in plain sight. It accumulates slowly, quietly, until it's normal. But today, we challenge that normal. We take control. Because the cleaner your environment, the calmer your mind. Cleaning is self-respect in disguise. Cleaning your car's interior isn't a favor you're doing to the vehicle. It's a favor you're doing to yourself, to your health, your peace of mind, your memories, to that version of you who once sat in this car on a first date, or that job interview ride, or that midnight drive when the city lights made you feel invincible. Cleaning is a reset, a reboot. It tells your brain, I care, I matter. So the next time you get into your car, notice how it feels. Does it welcome you? Or does it whisper reminders of chaos? Today, you've learned not just how to clean your car interior, but why it matters more than you thought. If this video helped you reclaim your space, please like the video and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Because we don't just clean, we uncover the stories behind everything we touch. And don't forget to click this link to get your 100% free Top 10 Cleaning Products list and Emergency Speed Cleaning Checklist, https just www.school.com.kelly's Bonus. You'll also get access to our free community made for women. https www.youtube.com at the Big Sweep sub confirmation 1.